the Triple Gem list. I'm here to enlighten you about a group of underprivileged people in our own country in a village situated in Wani district. They were resettled in this village after the end of Elam War in 2009. The resettlement process was initiated in 2011. It was a thick jungle back then. 516 families were resettled here, allocating a portion of lands for cultivation. It was fully facilitated by the Sri Lankan Army. Due to various reasons like shortage of water supply, unemployment, shortage of food and poverty, many families have left the village. 417 families are currently residing in the settlement. There are many villages as such in the vicinity. We have selected one out of them. This village is affected by drought every year for a very long period. Villagers travel far to purchase water for about 2 to 3 rupees per litre for drinking and washing purposes. Many suffer from kidney diseases due to problems in the water supply. There is a 31-year-old Buddhist monk. Both of his kidneys are malfunctioning and has to undergo dialysis. Other villagers too have the same problem. Lack of water and dust due to dry weather are causing various health issues among the people, including children. We are planning to eliminate the water shortage in this village. 470 families are still remaining in the village out of the 516 families who were originally resettled. All those families are still suffocating due to shortage of water. Their humble request was to renovate the tank in the village. This project will nourish the groundwater system in the area and activate agricultural wells. Consequently, it will help them to recultivate their lands. And the shortage of drinking water can be overcome by building a RO plant in the village. They do not ask for food or any other thing. If provided with water, the villagers themselves can overcome their other problems. It was decided to initiate the renovation project of the tank on the 19th of July. This village is called Namaga. The resettlement project was declared open by then parliamentarian Namal Rajapaksa. The renovation of the tank will be carried out with the assistance of Mahaveli Development Authority. We need you to join hands with us in this noble cause. As per the estimates done by Mahaveli Development Authority, the fuel expense itself would amount to 2.2 million rupees. It will cost around 4 million rupees for the entire project as per the calculations of the relevant parties. What you see now on the map is the location of Namaga. It is about 25 kilometers from Vaunia. I invite you all to pay a visit to Namaga if possible. And the next concern is their school. There are 700 students in the school. However, they have only 10 teachers. Those 10 teachers are managing the entire school. We are planning to develop this school as a sports-oriented institute, having a dialogue with the relevant authorities. You can assist us in that as well. You will note our contact details on the screen. We can be contacted via that mobile number. Our bank account details are also here on the screen. You can donate any amount at your ease to help this project. Our goal is to finish the tank renovation within 3 months and offer a new life to the villagers. Water plays the foremost important role in human life. If someone is struggling with this fundamental requirement of water, eventually they will lose focus on their other social needs. And these villagers are suffering from kidney diseases. They suffer a lot from poverty, but there is no point of just feeding them and driving them to a subsistence mentality. We are focusing to provide them with basic infrastructure and motivate the villagers in order to contribute to the national economy. We shall assist them to develop their own life. Medbo Sevana Meditation Center has come forward to organize this noble cause. You are most welcome to join hands with us. Maybe you can provide us tipper trucks if you have. We also need a motivator. We will show the images of the machineries we need for the project. If someone can provide us with such machineries within the period of the project, please do so. It is definitely a great strength to us. You can also spread this message across your friends. There are many villages as such in Wani district. We shall try to raise a voice on behalf of these unheard people and strive to help them all one day. Till then, we will focus on Namagama project. We humbly request your cooperation. May the Triple Gem bless you all.
වහින්නට හැකිනම් ගිගුම්